Hello everyone, my name is Bindia and I'm from our January batch. So today I like to discuss about the topic queue in Java. So queue belongs to a interface. Queue belongs to a collection framework. So collection framework. What is collection? First, what is collection? There is a set of objects and we consider them as a single entity is known as a collection. So collection is also interface, and the part of a collection interface, then there is a queue interface. So queue means queue follow the principle of first in first out. Means if we go to a real world life example, so that queue, what is queue? Queue means if we are going to a bank and we are standing in a queue, so one by one, who's the one first goes, then it's come first out. So the principle follows by the queue is first in first out. So which one goes first? It comes out first, and means gives priority according to they enters into the queue. So queue belongs to a linear data structures, and it is very important data structure. Queue follows the underlying data structure of a queue is priority queue. Priority queue, and queue is the most important in data structures and algorithm because it follows the first in first out principle, which is FIFO principle. Just like we are standing in a queue and one person enter into the queue, then it's come out first, its works complete, then it come out first. That's the its queue follows the principle of first in first out. And if we talk about the methods performed in a queue are in queue, elements are inserted from the rear. Queue have two ends. One is a front end and other is a rear end. So from a rear end, queue in elements are inserted in a queue, and from the front end, elements are removed from the queue. So and we have many methods in a queue, which are if we want to insert an element in a queue, then we create a queue and we have to add queue dot add in round bracket we give the element which element we want to add, and that's all. And if we want to retry the element but doesn't remove, then we use a poll method, and after that we can remove the elements from the queue and we can clear the queue. And there are many more methods available in queue interface. So queue is a linear data structures. It follows the principle of first in first out, and queue is in the comes in a 1.4 version. So it is an interface. Queue is an interface, and queue belongs to a linear data structures, and queue is a queue is a non-primitive data type. Queue is a primitive data type, and so queue is a very important, and queue follow the principle of first in first out. And the in a queue means we are standing in a row. We go first one by one, which stand first, then it's go first, it out first. So queue follow the first in first out principle, and queue follows the linear data structures. In a queue, elements are inserted from a rear end and the elements are removed from the front end. So queue is a very important data structure, and it is a part of all programming languages data structures. In queue we have many types of queue: priority queue, doubly ended queue, and so on. So queue follows the principle of first in first out, and we have many methods in a queue, which are queue dot add, queue dot remove. If we want to remove, if we want the top of element, then we use a peek method, and there are many methods which we use in a queue. So that's all about the queue. So that follows the principle of first in first out, and in a queue we insert the element from a rear end, and we remove the element from the front end, and queue follow the principle of linear data structure and follow the principle of first in first out. Just we take a real life example. If we are standing for a standing in a queue for in a bank or in any organization, then we stand first, then our work complete first, then the first one enters in that will come out first. So queue follows the principle of first in first out, and queue is a linear data structure, and queue is a child interface of a collection interface. And queue is very important in data structures and algorithm because it follows the principle of first in first out. And we have many methods in a queue, which are queue dot add if you want to add an element, and queue dot remove if you want to remove the elements from the queue, queue dot clear if you want to remove all the elements from the queue. And there are many more methods, just like a peek method, which is peek if you want the topmost element in the queue, then peek method is used to retrieve the peek element of the queue. So that's all about the queue.